First, untie the left and right wing lines and tidy up the thread ends. We need to apply glue to the contact surface. Apply glue, then glue them together. Align the left and right wings with the slots. You can use this glue part to fix it. Apply glue to the contact surface and the glue part. Install it, compress and secure. Another piece. Do the same steps. Now it's installed. Let it stand for a while, until the glue dries. Let's install the next step. Here are two long wires, which are landing gear lines. There are also auxiliary wing lines on the left and right light wires. We use Y line to connect these wires first. Connect the aileron line to the Y line first. Connect the left and right wing lines with Y line. Use the extension cord of the light wire to connect the two light wires together. Now our lines are connected. Fix the wires. Put the wires into the slot of the fuselage. The wings are assembled and secured according to the slots and the fuselage. Fix it with 4 screws. First, unscrew the machine screw of the tail wheel fixture. Then insert the tail wheel wire into it, and then tighten the machine screw. Now the tail wheel is installed. Glue the rudder contact surface first, and the horizontal tail contact surface. Put them together. Then align the rudder and elevator assembly key to the slot, and install it on the fuselage. Then turn the fuselage over. Fix it with screws. First, remove the pull rod. Set the rudder angle first. Fix it with screws. Install the back plate. Tighten the screws. Insert the rod wire into the pivot armhole of the steering mechanism. Observe the length of the pull rod. If it's too long, shorten it. Use a ball joint to fix the ball head. Install the horizontal stabilizer rudder angle. Fix it with screws. The steel wire is inserted into the pivot armhole of the steering mechanism. Observe and adjust the length of the pull rod. Use a ball joint to clamp it. Fix it. Apply glue to the bottom of the doll and install it. Tighten. Apply glue to the edge of the cockpit cover. Cover and tighten. Simulation antenna. Apply glue to the bottom. Insert it into the installation position of the fuselage. First, remove the bullet and the gasket. Install the gasket with the propeller attached. Install the propeller. Secure the gasket. Install the bullet. We can use tools to tighten it. The plane is assembled here. I'll use Miser 66A to demonstrate wiring. First, open the cockpit cover. First, we connect the light and landing gear wires to the control unit. This is the control unit for the landing gear and lights. Extension cord for navigation lights. Plug in the positive and negative poles into the pins. The two landing gear wires are plugged into the pins in the third row respectively. The navigation lights and landing gear are now connected. Channel 1 connects to aileron cable. Channel 2 connects to elevator cable. Channel 3 connects to throttle cable. Channel 4 connects to directional cable. Channel 5 connects to landing gear cable. Channel 6 connects to flap cable. All the wires are connected here. Then find a suitable position in the cockpit. Fix the receiver with 3M glue. I'll power it on now. Our receiver has already been tuned to the correct frequency. Usually, we need to pair the receiver. Landing gear test. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Flap test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring testing of the entire aircraft is now complete.